Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I cannot believe that we are in the end of 2019 year. To be honest, I have no idea when this year has just flown by, but yeah, we are almost at the end of the 2019 year, and I want to show you what it will be my makeup for the 2019 New Year's Eve party. So if you want to see how I recreate this look, then just keep watching. I'm going to start to prime my face first and let that primer sink in. By the way, if you haven't noticed, I'm filming in my living room. I wanted to film down here because here I have my Christmas tree, and the day that I'm filming, that I'm shooting this video, it's the actual Christmas day, so we are on December 25th. So this is the first time when I'm using this primer, and this by This Works, and this is called In Transit Camera Close Up Mask, Moisturizer and Primer in one. I have no idea what makeup look I'm going to create. I want something to incorporate a blue or a green shade. So first I'm gonna start by building my transition, and I'm using for this the Soft Glam eyeshadow palette by Beige, and I'm gonna take the lightest shade called Tempera to set my primer and create a smooth base. And by the way, this is a new brush, and this is by Zoeva. Of course, it's their 228 Luxe Crease, but is it from their new collection? I forgot the name. I will put it down on the description box. I all the time forget how pigmented are the Anastasia Beverly Hills shadows. And guys, if I'm keeping my voice low, this is because my kids are napping, so I'm filming this video after lunch, and won't be good for me if they will be down here around me. I won't be able to do anything. Then I'm switching the brush with the Zoeva 231, which is more firm, more compact and shorter of bristles, and I'm gonna take the shade Rustic. And I will add that directly into my crease. I remember about one of the palettes that I have from Stila. Unfortunately, it's discontinued, but I remember how much I loved this eyeshadow palette. So it's the Stila In the Garden eyeshadow palette. And here I have a green and a blue shadows. So I think I will go for the actual blue, which is called Freesia. Yeah, sorry for that pencil. And I'm gonna apply this on my half part of the lid, including in the outer V. Wow, this shade is amazing, and you can tell it had been well loved. And now I'm gonna cut my crease. Actually, I will do a half cut crease using my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. Next shade that I'm gonna take is the shade Bronze from the Beige Soft Glam palette, and I'm using the same Zoeva brush that I used to blend the concealer. So So it's there 2, 3, 4 eye smoky shader, but I'm gonna use the other side. Oh, this is insanely pigmented. And now for the start of the show, I want to use one of these glitters that I got from Stila. They are liquid, and I think this one might be the best option. I want to add that on the middle. I don't know if it's so well visible on the camera, but I feel they don't have enough pigment to them. I'm gonna apply my liquid liner, and I'm gonna use the Eyeko Black Magic. Easy peasy, this eyeliner is amazing. Oh, I forgot about that. I have this lip mask. Is it called Volumizing and Smoothing Rapid Lip Mask? So, let's try it out. Maybe. Ooh. I remember that I got it in one of the beauty boxes a while ago. So, I'm curious to see if it does something for my lips. It has a bubblegum taste or smell, and it's already starting to tingle. For my foundation, I'm oscillating between the L'Oreal Infaillible Stick Sculpting and the Lancome. They are basically the same formula, just the L'Oreal one is a bit darker. I forgot to apply this primer that I discovered recently. Is by Clinique and is their Pep-Start Hydroblur Moisturizer. So this I'm using just to blur the pores. I'm a little bit all over the place because I'm not used to film here on this area. I'm used with my comfort in my room where I have the door closed, and shooting in the living room is something which is a bit out of my comfort zone. So I decided to mix both. So I will use on the center the Lancome because it's a bit lighter, and usually on the center we are highlighting the face, and on the perimeters of my face I'm gonna use the L'Oreal. But oh boy, even when I'm applying on my face I feel they have the same texture. For my lashes, I'm gonna use the Honest Beauty mascara that is also coming with a lash primer, but I want to tell you that I'm a bit disappointed with this mascara because it doesn't do so much for my lashes. First of all, it's really dry, and maybe there is a reason for that, because when I was showing you this mascara, I opened it. So is it possible that the mascara got dry from July till December? So I will probably never do that on my hauls. If I'm not going to use a mascara, I won't open it. But I like the fact that it's not smudging. And on the top, I'm going to use the Essence the False Lashes Mascara. This mold. I forgot to set my face, so I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty powder. This powder has a scent that reminds me about something from my childhood. I cannot tell you exactly what is that scent, but this is what is it. And yeah, before you all starting to scream, I know I forgot to do my brows. I decided to use the pomade because it's more spatial look. So I'm gonna use this pomade that I have from Idole. I even forgot how much I love this brow pomade. I feel that 2019 year was the year when I was dropping the brow pomades. I barely used them. I was mostly drawn onto the brow pencils. Something else with the brows on. Don't you all agree that? And I love the actual brush that is coming with this bronzer because I'm using it to contour my nails. I feel that it's perfect for that. And for the blush, we are going to use the Deuce Cosmetics blush, which is this absolutely gorgeous blush. And while I'm looking on the viewfinder, I'm also seeing on my garden, it's sitting the neighbor's cat. So she's looking at me while I'm filming. Suddenly I'm starting to feel weird. A New Year's Eve party look requires a ton of highlighter, so I'm using the Bella Pierre palette. What is it called? Heat Wave highlighting palette. I'm gonna take the second highlighter. This is a Beige Cosmetics brush, number 1. This is actually a eye brush, but is it too long a bit for my eye shape, so I prefer to use it for highlighter. All the lips have remained, and I don't know exactly if these lip masks should be removed or you can keep it on. I feel that it's dried now. No, I should remove it because there is some texture underneath, so I will come back. The mask is removed. I have a problem on deciding what lipstick or lip color I'm gonna use. You know what? We are going to do red. This is a Chanel lipstick. This is a actual sheer red, it's not completely red. So it's mostly like a tinted balm, but it's really nice and nourishes your lips. And it's quite long lasting. After it sets, it will stain a bit your lips, so you don't worry that it's a balm because it's doing and acting like a stain. Okay, and the lip liner that I used is by Kevin Aucoin and is it in the shade Sheriff. But yeah, this is the final look, guys. I really enjoy how it turned out, but please let me know in your comments down below what do you think about this look, and also let me know what are you going to do on the New Year's Eve. Will you go for a party? Will you meet with your friends? You'll host a party, or you just do nothing? But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank you for all the support that you have given me throughout this year. You guys were amazing and I appreciate, everything you've done for my channel, all the sweet comments and likes, and the fact that you have subscribed and support my channel. It means everything for me. So yeah, thank you so much for being with me and helping my channel grow. So I want to wish you all to have a fantastic 2020 year. Have a great day, have a great party, have a great end of the year, and I will see you again on my next video.